Welcome back to Ever 8. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of supernova speculations. Supernovae are some of the most spectacular events in the universe, and they've captivated the imaginations of scientists and space enthusiasts for centuries. In this video, we'll explore the different aspects of supernova speculations, from their causes to their consequences, and even their potential impact on our understanding of the cosmos. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you won't want to miss this cosmic journey. The basics of supernovae. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a supernova? Well, it's a colossal explosion that occurs when a massive star reaches the end of its life cycle. There are two primary types of supernovae, Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 is the result of a white dwarf accumulating too much mass, causing it to explode, while Type 2 supernovae are the explosive deaths of massive stars. The causes. Now, let's get into the speculations surrounding what causes supernovae. For Type 1 supernovae, it's believed that the white dwarf accumulates mass from a companion star, and when it reaches a critical point, it detonates. The exact mechanism behind this process is still an area of active research. Type 2 supernovae, on the other hand, occur when massive stars run out of fuel and can no longer support their own gravity. This leads to a gravitational collapse, followed by a sudden rebound, which creates an explosive shockwave. The consequences of a supernova are truly mind-boggling. These cosmic explosions release an enormous amount of energy, often outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. The heavy elements formed during a supernova are ejected into space, eventually becoming part of new star systems, planets, and even life forms, like us. On the downside, a supernova can be catastrophic for any nearby planet, potentially causing mass extinctions. Luckily, the chances of a supernova happening in our galactic neighborhood anytime soon are extremely low. Supernovae and our understanding of the universe. So, how do supernovae impact our understanding of the universe? Well, they play a crucial role in a variety of fields. For instance, astronomers use supernovae as standard candles to measure cosmic distances, helping us map the expansion of the universe. Additionally, the elements forged in these explosions are essential for life as we know it. Every atom in your body, including the oxygen you breathe and the iron in your blood, was once inside a massive star that went supernova. Now, let's dive into some exciting supernova speculations. One of the most intriguing ideas is the concept of a starship supernovae. Some scientists have proposed the possibility of using a supernovae explosion as a natural propulsion system for a spacecraft. By harnessing the energy and momentum of a nearby supernova, future interstellar travelers could potentially reach distant stars in a relatively short time. Another speculation revolves around the mysterious dark energy, which is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. Some theories suggest that dark energy may be linked to supernovae or even the remnants of these cosmic explosions. In conclusion, supernovae are not only spectacular events but also essential cosmic phenomena with far-reaching implications for our understanding of the universe. Whether it's their causes, consequences, or intriguing speculations, supernovae continue to capture the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow space enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content about the mysteries of the cosmos. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Until then, keep looking up at the stars.